Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we're going to learn how to make an image rounded, okay? With just HTML and CSS. First here, I already have my HTML open, okay? Just in linking a CSS file. We need to put our image here, okay? I will do it with the image tag. And for this example, I will use a placeholder image website, okay? You can type with me and use the same image. https dummyimage.com, and we put another slash, and after that we put a resolution like 300 x 300, so the image will be a square, and this is better for what we want, because if we put an image that have not the same width and height, the image will be distorted by the circle because it doesn't have the same width and height, so we need a square, okay? And after that I will put another slash with the color of the image. This means black 000, okay? And the color of the text, because we have some text in the image, I will put FFF. This means white, okay? It's like our hexadecimal colors in CSS. So I have my image. I can open this in our browser. I use the live server. You can open the file with the path, okay? So here I have the result of the image, and now I want to round this. I want to make this image rounded. This is what we want to do and learn with this video, okay? So I will go to my CSS here, and I just need to change its border, okay? I need to make the border 50% of what it is. So CSS will round our image for us. So I will set the border radius property to 50%, okay? And save the file, and this is it. We don't have to do any other stuff to get the rounded image. We can have the circle image with just one rule of CSS. So guys, this is it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. This was a very simple one. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also like this video. These actions help me a lot, okay? See you in the next one.